Hello guys, welcome to this session. Topic is computer networks and the communications. In the past videos, we were discussing about spreadsheet program. We covered various concepts of spreadsheet program. We saw various terminologies, how you can enter data in a spreadsheet program, specifically Excel program. We saw you can manipulate the various data, how you can edit and format the various data within your Excel document. We also saw various activities on mathematical operations in the Excel program. So today we have moved on to the computer networks and the communications. We'll start with the simple introduction to local area network, that is LAN, and the wide area network, that is WAN. Now, before going to that, we have to know simply the concept of computer network. So we'll start with this, then we'll later on discuss about the local area network and the wide area network. Now, simply, what do we mean when we say a network? A network can be defined as a group of computers and the other devices that are connected in some ways so as to be able to exchange data. So a network is just a group of various computers or these devices that are connected in a certain way that they can able to exchange various data and information. Now, each of these devices on the network can be thought of as a node, whereby each node has a unique address. So this unique address is the one that addresses the given device on the network. So it simply shows and describes the kind of device within this network. Now, an address can say that is a numerical quantity that can be easily for the computers to work with or just understand them, while the humans they cannot understand or remember them. Take an example. You can see this address like 204 .160.241.98. Now you can't simply remember this kind of address, but it's just an address with these numerical quantities that are easy for the other computers to work with and understand the kind of device that is connected to such network. Now, some networks also provide the names that humans can more easily remember than numbers. Take an example, that is www.javasoft.com. It's just corresponding to the above numerical address that we've seen in 204.160.4.241.98. Now, a computer network, this is a digital telecommunications network which simply it allows these nodes to share resources. Now, in these computer networks, the connected computing devices, they exchange data with each other using the data link. And the connections between the nodes are established using either cable media or wireless media. So that's simply about computer network, just a digital telecommunication network of the various computer devices that share resources such as data, information, etc., etc. So thank you for listening. I hope it's clear. It was briefly introduction to the computer networking. We'll later on discuss the local area network and the wide area network. Thank you.